What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. All right. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, alright? So it means once you click it and they pop up, you click it, you'll be directed to my official social media platform. The first two links are my official IGs, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. Don't be fooled, faked by these fake IGs, all right? Before you send your money, just get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, back at it again with some more gems. We finna drop some more gems. I'm finna literally show you guys why this is better than the CPN, why it's almost the exact same thing as a CPN, but it's legal. And a lot of people want to get CPNs to get new cars, new homes, and get new credit cards and get loans and things like that, because like I told you guys before, a CPN is literally building a new entity and building a new credit line. When you can do the exact same thing with an LLC, with a new company, a new LLC, S Corp, C Corp, whatever. It's a new entity. It's the exact same thing as a CPN. So in order to build a CPN, you gotta know how to build credit. You gotta know how to add trade lines. You gotta know how to do a lot of different things. And it's the same exact process from building your personal credit, building your business credit. And a lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people want to just do quick things to get quick loans and credit cards and try to get loans and don't have to pay it back. Well, people, listen. The only loan that's ever going to have to not be paid back is the PPP loan, and that's if you've done it right. There's never going to be a loan where you don't have to pay it back, because at the end of the day, a loan is a loan. They're loaning you the money, which means you have to pay it back. But there's grants and there's different crowd funds and different things like that where you can get free money, and a lot of people don't utilize that. A lot of people don't listen to me when I tell you guys this. A lot of people don't take this for advantage, because a lot of people don't understand that, hey, you want to get this $20,000 loan, you want to get this $10,000 loan, okay, but your credit is bad. Well, you do know if you started an LLC today and built it in a month, you can have a Paydex score over 80 and get that same loan that you wanted way easier. It might not even take you a month, and a lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people out there are not utilizing their LLCs or their business credit the way they need to do it. And it's almost sickening. It's almost kind of like sad, because a lot of people out here who watch my videos, a lot of people out there in the world in general, they won't, oh, if I had 10 or $20,000 right now, I'd do this and I'd do that. But then when they get the money, they don't do what they say they're going to do. They go buy clothes, they go buy this and that, they buy things that depreciate. Well, okay, start thinking the right way. If you want to get $20,000, you want to get $10,000 fast, and you want to build a new entity, you want to build a new credit score, you want to build a new profile, build your LLC. Watch this video. After you watch this video, say, okay, let me start my LLC. Let me start my C Corp, S Corp, nonprofit organization. Let me start building up a new entity, because my personal credit is bad. But this new entity that I have, and I can build this credit up, and I can start getting these exact same loans, because they give you business loans faster than they give you personal loans. I don't know why everybody is so infatuated with these personal loans. They will give you money faster with business loans. All you need is sometimes all you need is an LLC and an EIN number and your Dun & Bradstreet number and things like that. You guys are missing out on a lot of money, because like I told you, the rich get rich by getting loans, by getting credit cards and lines of credit, saving their money, getting the money, the hard cash, saving that, getting these loans, building their credit, and doing that, and then continue the process. And the poor get poor by saving money, spending that money on things like houses, down payments, and having to do the exact same thing because they're not utilizing their credit. So when I'm making these videos, please understand that when I'm telling you guys to do start considering business credits, consider starting your LLCs, your S Corps, C Corps, or whatever, it's just because I want you to start that new entity, because I know you guys have bad credit. I know you guys want these 10, 20, 30,000 dollar loans, and they will literally give you these loans faster and easier with your business credit, because it takes money to make money. They got startup loans, they got small business loans, they got a lot of different categories for you as a business owner to get funds for your company as a small or startup business. And I know a lot of people out there has had LLCs and for a couple of years now that hasn't been doing anything with them, which is fine. You're aging your LLC. Now get your things in order, start getting a Paydex score on it, and start getting the funding that you need, because you never know how fast it'll jump to over a Paydex score of 80 or better. So after watching this video, I want you to, if you don't have an LLC, sit back and think about what's your passion? What can you start your business? What can start generating you some funds fast? Because like I told you guys in previous videos, you had to offer something. The rich get rich by offering something that the world needs. The multimillionaires and billionaires, they offer some type of product, from some type of car, Lamborghini, Audi, Acura, Nissan. You got all these type of brands that these companies are offering us for us to buy, and we buy them on a daily basis. So what are you going to offer? What product or knowledge are you going to offer that the consumer wants and needs? And there's a lot of different products out there. So that's just the number one thing before you start your business. You got to figure out what you want to do, because you got to understand, when you start a business, it's going to be a lot of hard work and determination. It's going to be a lot of sacrifices. There's going to be a lot of sleepless nights. There's going to be a lot of thinking, because you started a business. You want to keep your business afloat, and you want to keep it generating. You want to keep funds coming in. So you want to figure out every day, how can you improve your business? All right. So when people out there are starting these LLCs, please start an LLC for something that you have a passion in. Do your research with your LLC, with your category, and make sure that whatever you start in your LLC is very profitable. Make sure to go see what everybody else, other people are doing in the same niche, the same LLC, the same program. See what type of money could be made, and run at it. All right. So, but today I'm going to show you guys where to go to get a $10,000 small business bad credit startup loan. All right. And a lot of people like, oh, you can literally start your LLC today, get it established tomorrow, and by next week Monday you'll be getting a $10,000 loan that fast, because you did everything I told you to do in this video. All right. So like I told you guys, make sure you get your LLC, you get your EIN number, you get your Dun & Bradstreet, you make sure your business is established. And what I mean by established, you make sure you have a website, you make sure your number is registered with the 401 National Directory, and you have a business number. You make sure you have a business email, you make sure you have a virtual address. All right, so once you got all those things, now you have an established business. Then you can start running these net 30s on your credit, your business credit. Start generating some credit, then you can start applying for these loans. All right, so today we're going to be talking about a place where you can get $10,000 and for small business bad credit startup loans. All right, it's called QuickBridge, and they dealing with a lot of small businesses, startup businesses with bad credit, with people with bad credit that's just getting started. All right, so without further ado, let's take a look at this company. All right, so we got QuickBridge. All right, QuickBridge, small business loans, bad credit business loans. All right, financing for poor or limited credit profiles. All right, small business owners are the bread and the butter of the American economy, but responsibility doesn't come easy. Bad credit business loans can help owners out a jam when they need it the most. The cash obtained from a bad credit business loan can kickstart your business growth and help your finance back on track. All right, so the basis of a bad credit business loans. All right, lenders and credit reporting agencies define bad credit in different ways. A FICO score range from 300 to below 669 is typically considered bad credit for small businesses. It's even possible for small business owners to have a good personal credit score but have a bad score or limited credit history for the company itself. For this reason, bad credit business loans can be difficult to access for some business owners. There are many reasons why a company or business owners has less than stellar credit, but the outcome of this is the same. It's harder to get approved for the traditional small business fund. Unfortunately, lenders like QuickBridge and other lenders offering business loans for bad credit can work with businesses to help them get back on track by providing them access to bad credit loans. All right, so here are 4 ways to get the business loans you have. If you have poor credit, Despite having poor credit history or recently establishing new business, options remain available. The following are 4 ways business owners with less than stellar credit can increase their chances of securing a bad credit loans. All right, so pledge a cash down payment, provide collateral assets, sign up personal guarantor, accept a small loan amount. Bad credit businesses loans for startup companies. Getting approved for the traditional business loans can be especially tough for startups due to the fact that a large portion of credit scores are calculated based on how long a company has been operating. However, even successful startup tends to have less than perfect credit. Fortunately, there are still opportunities to acquire bad credit business loans regardless of the company's age. Using strategies such as placing a down payment, providing collateral, signing personal guarantor within a contract will help businesses that still considered new. Right, so it's different ways for you to get approved, but they still help you with bad credit. If you have bad credit and you just started up your business, they give you up to $10,000. All right, so you just started up your business, go start up your business, get everything established, go holler at them, get them net 30s on your profile, go holler at them, and you'll get you $10,000. All right, so without further ado, let's just talk about that real quick. All right, QuickBridge. All right, so there you guys got it. QuickBridge, they're giving out $10,000 for small businesses, smart startup businesses, bad credit. 300 to 699 credit scores are welcome. $10,000. Just start your business, start these LLCs. This is your new. This is like you're gonna treat it as your CPN, as your new business, your LLC. Boom, you're gonna run the credit up on it. It's easy to get your Paydex score to 80 or better. All you gotta do is run up a whole bunch of net 30s on your credit on your profile. Once you do that, start applying for different store cards and things like that, and you'll be at an 80 Paydex score in a month. So a lot of people miss out on that, take that advantage. A lot of people stop even thinking about their personal credit and start thinking about their business credit, because you can get an 80 Paydex score and then no time and start getting the exact same loans or more. Sometimes they don't even look at your personal credit as long as that Paydex score is at 80 or better, right? And it's trade lines that you can add to your business credit to juice up the debt on your credit to, get that payment history, that exceptional payment history for these lenders to be like, ooh, you got that? Okay, we're gonna lend you some money too, because you're paying them back and we want to get that APR too. It's all about the APR. That's how these companies make their money back. All right, so make sure y'all go tap into QuickBridge. Make sure y'all go start your LLCs. Make sure y'all get established. Make sure y'all run up them net 30s on it, then go apply for them $10,000 startup businesses bad credit loans, and you'll have a good chance and add some trade lines. Do what you gotta do. All right, so make sure y'all tap in, man. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to all my new fans. Shout out to all my old fans and new subscribers. Shout out to all my new H&E family members, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. All right. Also, unlimited gems right now. FaceTime 101s is $500. Don't miss out on this deal, because they will be going back to $2,000 very soon. So make sure y'all tap into the limited gems $500 deal right now. Book me on my IG or my Telegram. My links are in my community. My links are in all my pinned comments, my IG. So don't get scammed, don't get tricked. It's not hard to find my real page, all right? It's like 29.3 thousand followers on IG. Also, anybody looking to tap in with the production company, I'm still looking for people to work with. I'm still looking for people to grow with. I'm still looking for rappers, actors, models, producers, cameramen, content creators, all right? Music reviews is $200. If you got a problem with paying $200 for you to assign to a record label you supposedly want to deal with, please don't contact me. Nothing's going to change. You're not going to be able to go to no other record label, A&R, or anywhere else to be like, I'm the next best thing, I'm the hottest thing ever, please listen to my music, sign me, none of that. So if you are unable to handle business, if you're getting mad and then start talking disrespectful and this and that, you already showing me why I shouldn't even invest in you, point blank, period. All right, so if you can't invest $200 into yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into your rap career? All right, so make it make sense. Models, tap in. You ready to elevate, you ready to win, you ready to become a businesswoman, you ready to put your brand and platform and your beautiful face out there. Start making a lot of money. I'm going to show you the game. I'm going to show you the ropes. I'm going to show you how to become a businesswoman. I'm going to show you how to make passive income. I'm going to show you how to, get paid for doing the things that you like to do. All right, so make sure you tap in. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. So just always remember that. All right, if you was doing so good and you was so bad and you got all these dudes, why they ain't put you in a position to do what you need to do so far? All right, so make it make sense. I got you, though. Don't worry about it. Also, cameraman out there, you good with that editing? You got a good camera, 4K, 8K, 6K, Red Dragon, Komodo, whatever. Tap in with me. Let's win. Let's get this money. Let's shoot these videos. Let's shoot this content. Let's get, you know what I'm saying? Let's run these views up. Let's run this check up. Producers, tap in with me. Let's link on some beats. Also, book your seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. All right, $3,500 you come in-state to me. $4,500 I got to come out of state to you. $500 deposit, and the rest of the money we meet in person. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with that. I'm doing mentorships for $3,000. All right, I'm gonna show you how to make these pages. I'm gonna show you how to make these YouTubes. I'm gonna give you these documents. I'm gonna show you how to really get paid and be put in a position to make a lot of passive income. All right, so $3,000. Also, if anybody out there trying to do this YouTube automation where you can make from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, even $100,000 a month, if not more, if you really going hard, tap in with me. I'm teaching people how to do that for $500. And for $1,000, I'll create your channel for you. I'll drop the first 5 videos. I'll do the SEOs and tags. And I continue to help you grow the channel by dropping videos, spending my money on there to help build the channel, and we'll split the profits down the middle. All right, so make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all come win. Make sure y'all come grow with me. It's your boy King Hussle. Let's get this money, man. We dropping content non-stop, 24/7. We back at it. Let's get it. See y'all next video. Peace.